Today's video, we're going to the fruit shop. We're going to buy strawberries. I hope there's strawberries.
Gonna buy some bananas.
Ay, you're planning to buy bananas? Welcome back to our channel. Please like the video and
click that button.
For what?
To like and subscribe.
Please.
Please.
I'll show you the road. Okay. Oh my God. I asked my husband to turn off the radio. Might get, what do you call that? Copyright strike. It is actually 3 o'clock and 29 minutes in the afternoon. Okay, this is my favorite spot here. Look at that. Oh, see, I love it here. It's too high. Going back. Yeah, there's sunshine. I like it. We're going towards the Northern Highway or Northern Road, love?
Yeah.
Okay. In here, it's just normal to see horses, cows on the paddock. So yeah, like this, oh, look at that house. Ang ganda ng bahay dito. Friendship. Oh, that's an RV, like a motorhome. Oops. Uy, another soul. So, gala-gala lang muna tayo ngayon, guys. Walang gaanong ganap ang Inday. Kaya, ang ganda, oh. Diba, no? Super green. So by the way, just recently, I think it only started yesterday when the rain stopped, totally stopped. Kaya super green na naman ang paligid. Well maintained yung mga ano nila dito, grasses. Hindi kagaya sa atin, walis-walis dito, ano, mower, grass cutting once a month. Yeah, you normally do like
us.
Yeah.
You want to keep it nice. It's only every week.
But us, we normally hire someone to mow the grass like once in a month. But those people who has like their own machine and everything and capable to do it on their own, they can do it more than 1 or 2 a month. Whoops! Their speed limit 70. Ooh. I saw some horses. Papunta lang kami sa Ladenham. So it's like 12 kilometer from here according to the signage. So here guys, on the left side, bus lane po yan. So it's a no-no for a car. Like, you can read that, you know, bus lane. Private vehicles or trucks not allowed to use that area. Only when you're turning left. Nakaka-impress lang dito is all of their traffic lights working. Uy, dami ibon, oh. Flock of birds. So yes, gala-gala lang tayo guys. Not totally gala, pero naubos na. We ran out of fruits. No banana. No kiwi. Do we still have kiwi, Mara? Okay. Strawberries, of course. That's my favorite here. So yes, mga Inday, mga friendship, mga my guys. Nilibot ko lang kayo saglit dito sa amin. What do you call this place, love? Badgery or Mogoa? I know this road is Northern Road.
Northern Road.
But the council.
The council is still in the Penrith.
So we're still in Penrith.
Penrith district.
Okay. Ganda ng road nila, no? Pag nagme-merge yung lane, talagang nakalinya. That's one of the things you'll be impressed with Australia. Talagang klaro yung mga signage sa daan, guys. Especially if there's like a pedestrian crossing. Talagang may harang siya sa bandang gilid, tapos may humps yun, tapos may hawakan, may bakal. Kapag ganun talagang you will be asked to lower your speed. There's a certain limit lang ng speed na dapat mo. That's okay. I think we're close to Ladenham. So ayun po tayo guys. Tanghali na kaming gumising at ayun, aking my loves. Focus sa kanyang driving.
She look pokey.
You look pokey with a long beard. Ewan ko. Di raw siya nakakapag-focus sa trabaho, nakakapag-isip pag wala siya niyan. Pag maikli lang daw yung ganyan niya. Ewan ko sa'yo.
My wife hates my beard.
It's not really hate sometimes.
She
I
don't
like it
like.
short. So you say, I'm a liar?
Okay.
Oh, I forgot. Back to the
That's
What?
one of the new roads to the new airport.
Okay. So, ito yung daan na...
It's not open yet.
Is this the start of the new airport?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yan o. May bago kasing airport, Western Sydney Airport, na ginagawa. I think by 2026, it will be open.
Yes.
So, that's start of the property. Dun yan sa banda sa kaliwa dyan. They call it Western Sydney Airport. Ang lawak ko, guys. See that? And then, you can see ayun, dun sa area na yon. Let's try. Dito na tayo sa may budget. Let's have a look if we can see it here. Ayan guys, so you know, there, that area. Medyo liliko na po kami dito sa Badgery Creek. Ayun na, ayun, yun. You see that? So now, we're turning right. Yan, dun kami banda. Saan na ba yung pangalan? Ayan. Dun kami banda. 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 Dun the name. Tut, 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 tut. Ganda ng mga daan dito ng klaro. Uy! Oh, did you see that car?
Street rod, look.
What do you call that car, love?
Street rod, look.
What's that?
Hot rod.
Is it V8?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Maingay siya pero...
Australians love the V8s.
What maker is that?
That looks like an old Ford.
Forward. Okay.
Looks like an old Ford.
Maybe din yung asawa ko kaya hindi naka-register. Hindi naman niya kasi ginagamit. So yes. Ayan o, makikita niya yan na. Typical yan dito guys. Makakita kayo ng ano. Ayan. Ayan o, dami nilang alaga. Pag itim daw Angus, there's a certain speed up here malam. Dun sa area namin may mga kabayo. Here. Oh, there's plenty of cows. Sabi nga niya before marami raw ditong dairy farm. Hanggang sa unti-unti na lang na siguro na ibenta na ng may-ari. Ayan, dito ko kami rito sa are we turning right?
No.
No. It's this straight ahead, right? Ooh. Are we near now?
Yeah, it's just here.
On the left side?
Yep.
Yeah, our favorite local fruit shop. I don't know the name of the store because there's no signage anyway, but we call it Luddenham local fruit shop.
There's a house there.
Ha? Ganda ng mga bahay dito, no? Oh, there's a butchery here. Butcher. It's closed again. It's always closed.
Yeah, it's late. It's like late afternoon.
Oops, malapit na. Dyan. There. Oops, here po guys. Wala naman kasing pangalan. There, Dave's stall. Yan, oh. If you will notice sa mga previous vlogs ko po guys. Okay. No, we talk lang. Oh, come on. There. We're here. We'll show you some fruits inside. Uy, pumpkin, 99 cents per kilogram. What did you get, love? Ooh. Alright.
I don't know what we did.
I only grab few, like fruits. Oh, love, do you want some? Come up here, love. You like pumpkins? Are they different or what?
That's orange, that's mandarin.
So what do you want?
Yeah, I don't think we want to buy.
Okay, come on, let's
So
do it.
$8.
But do you eat mandarin?
Yeah, I don't know.
Are they still good? Will last for a week? Okay. Still have like chili. This one, no, baby. Oh, they got cherries.
Cherries?
That's $14. But what's that?
$3.
What's that? Oh yeah, that's the last piece. I want one of this, babe. But there's no bigger.
Huh?
How about this one? How about this one?
Yeah, whatever you want.
They're smaller. Do you want cherry or no?
Yeah.
Pick one, love. They are smaller. Yeah. But this one is mapupo. No.
Aussie one. Look.
The last time we bought that.
Look, Filipino one.
Yeah, we can grow that.
Aussie one.
Maybe you need, Alap, you need some of this.
It's a vegetable.
How does it taste? Like similar with
Prawns.
onions? Gaganda ng ano nila dito ah. Coli. Dates. Babe, passion fruit, $9. Lab, did you see this? There, oh. Huh? Lab, maybe we need one of these.
If you want.
Yeah, so I can slice it tomorrow when you go to work. My favorite's the plum. Kiwi gold. Oh, kiwi gold. How about your banana, Lab?
Yeah, I want some banana.
Is this the Valencia? No, it's Venus. No, it's Navel Orange. That's different. Pink lady. Her bag. Oh. Tulong dito. Should we grab one of these, Love?
If you want.
Which one? If it's only me who will eat, I can't consume it all. Eggs nila dito medyo mura. Babe, their eggs here is cheaper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want eggs?
Yeah, $6. Why not?
We're going to put them up here.
Well, we're not going to... Babe, that's very big.
That's alright, we eat it.
No, it's really huge. I don't like this
I
kind.
like cabbage.
No, but this is not a good one. What else? Huh? Spinach. Ooh, asparagus. Can I get one? Are we still okay with the payment? Do you eat this? Some fresh.
Yeah.
What about this?
We got fresh beans.
I don't have the beef for bulalo.
Huh?
I don't have that. This is freshly cut all up. Still good at the bottom.
Yeah.
Anyway, almost half. Almost half. And it's local, right? What's that?
Coconut.
No, I don't need that. I still have coconut something. Can you grab me some of this, love? I'm running out of ginger. Ano ba naman yung luya nila dito? Uy, kalabig. Just a small one. Can you grab me? Maybe this one. Plastic. Just that one lot. Ooh. This is what I'm telling you. The manga bit.
Barefoot squares.
No, this one. Oh, this is.
Barefoot squares.
This is what I need. The tukok mongo.
Mung bean.
But it's just little. It should be a lot. Yeah. From where?
Okay.
No. I'm interested with this.
What one?
I'll cook. But why is it? Why?
Choice $2.
No.
You know what?
I don't. I want the one from Cadence.
Okay.
Oh, they have blueberries now.
Yeah, come up.
Yeah. The blackberry
Yeah.
is full.
That's the spinach.
No.
Yeah.
No.
You got baby broccoli.
No. Come on, we're good.
What's it?
Do you eat spinach, love?
Yeah, I love spinach.
This one?
I
No?
love this one.
Which one? That's broccoli.
No, this one.
I don't know how to cook.
You boil it. It's good.
Let's look like a
It's
one.
like giant bok choy.
Come on, let's move ahead.
It's good, yeah. That's what Popeye is.
Popeye. Rosemary, oregano, coriander. Oh,
You want that?
yeah. Can we get one? How much? Maybe a smaller one. Yeah. It's basically fruits. We're just here for some fruits. Pistachios, 11. Your grandpa? Oh. Huh? Some bread. Oh, this is my favorite bread. Buchetta. Slice. Buchetta. Ano kaibang? Matigas siya. Bakit mo na sobrang tigas? Gusto ko malambot lang. Sourdough. About this bag. Oh, may 24 ngayon. Hindi ako yan. Pandikasa. $27. Yung tinapay kaya ako. Lambot. May 27. Anong araw ba ngayon? 20. Not there. Ah. 113. Okay. You drive it. You put it there. I'll visit the bird. Ito yun sila, oh. Oh my God. Oh, Diyos ko tayo. Meron na naman pong magaganda, oh. Oh my. Itch. There's no price. Ew, barbecue. Super bomb. Where's the bird up here? So, ito pa rin yung mga dati nilang ano, guys. Pumapangit sila kapag kasi recently, grabe, halos 1 week ang ulan dito eh. Here, plenty of birds. Alright. Okay. Uwi na mo. I used to have some of this back home in the Philippines. Alright guys, pauwi na po kami. Yan. Sorry about that, my love.
What? What?
That I had you unload everything.
Ah, that's okay.
They have a different varieties of succulents in there.
Yeah.
So and they look sad because we just had this massive rain, right? Okay, uuwi na po. That's our favorite cookies, Italian cookies. Ooh, thank you, love. You know my favorite. Yeah, it has to. What do you call this? This is
Amarettis.
no.
The biscuits are
Italian
called
biscuit.
Yeah, Amarettis.
Amarettis, okay. Oh my God, masawa ka palagay lahat sa akin ay. Alright, oh, ang cute ng cookies nila. Made of sourdough. Tapos may almond sa taas. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. So, we're going home na po, diba? Saglit na saglit lang kami rito. Wala mo kaming 10 minutes. Kasi pag nagtagal pa kami, papagastos pa kami. The longer we stay there, the more pesos we gonna spend. Ang tawag din, no? Ladnaham. Ooh. Alam ko may kabayo dito eh. I think there's a horse up here somewhere. Okay, on the way back na po kami, guys. Okay, pauwi na po. May yung araw, oh. And it's 4 o'clock, 4:11. Just a quick stop over sa fruit shop. This one is
Kini. It's a Maltese drink.
Maltese, not Italian.
Maltese soft drink.
Yeah, it has orange flavor and aromatic.
That's good.
Oh, it has 10 cents as well. So it's made up here, made in Australia. No, I'm okay. But that's good for your love. That's your favorite.
You too.
Yeah. We're gonna end the video soon. Oh my God. Nasasakal ako dito sa seatbelt. Click like, subscribe, and the notification bell, please. And nakakasilaw yung araw.
And stay tuned for the next video.
Yeah. Oh my God. There's still.
Rich Filipino, poor Aussie.
What am I rich for? I'm rich of your love. Baby.
Wala na pesos.
Ubus na face. Palo. How much did we spend for today? For the view?
$112.
Oh my God, 112 is 3.5 plus 12 is like 400. Mas karapat na libon eh. Ganun-ganun lang, lamang karli. Prutas-prutas lang, tsaka tinapay, konting gulay. But anyway, Australian local farming fruits, local farm. Sakit sa mata. Okay. Bye. See you on our next vlog.
Bye.
Bye. Going to show you nga po pala yung favorite naming cookies. Oh. Busog-busog much. So this one is cherry and then almonds. The last time we have 1 piece on top. And yung kanina na kinain ko, 2 pieces ng almonds. Ang toppings niya. Yung iba is nawala na ng toppings. You still want some left?
Yeah, I have one.
Which one?
Any one.
Okay, I'll give you the empty one on top. This one. I'm trying to find cookies with 2 almonds on top. I think I already ate that. Parang gusto ko yun. Kasi whole cherry siya. Uy! Ito yata yung gusto ko. Ano lang kainin. Hey guys! Yun lang. Speed is 40! There's something up here that I'm happy about.
What?
There. The speed meter. And the smiley. Yeah. Make it slow. Yeah. 34. 34. The limit is 40. Okay, we're up here na sa bahay. Alright guys, thanks God, ito na po sa bahay. Maybe I can take a walk, my love, and do my regular exercise.